Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Safety First Swing Shut Toilet Lock. You couldn't really tell that was going to happen until it was attached, and after that it was a huge pain to take off the part. About only ripping part of the paper off the sticker is a joke. So much cleaner and easier than the kind that you mount on the inside of the toilet. Clearly, it's gotten easier since then, but it certainly perplexes all visitors to our home. When is one-hand safety device built on the adult hand size is less likely the child may open it. This works perfectly, and is a lifesaver for our 18-month-old boy who likes to play in the toilet. The Safety First Swing Shut Toilet Lock works really good at keep the toilet safe from kids. After purchasing so many fails when it comes to child-proofing, this product was refreshing. Such a great invention. 16-month-old twin boys can't break it, and keeps them out of the toilet. Yippee. The only thing you need to be careful about, make sure you are precise when you glue it on. It works great, keeps her out of it, though it is possible to slide things in. Can be tricky to get the latch open at first, but after you figure it out it's great. Have purchased a second, and a third if they have been broken, or seat replaced. Once installed you need two hands to slide the lock, and press the button in order to release the locking arm, which is, of course, why it defeats little hands, but can be a bit of a puzzle for guests. However, if you accidentally stick it in the wrong place, then you have to rip it off the toilet, and try to restick it. It takes two hands to open, and leaves a little room for the seat to go up. Our toilet is curved on the front so the arm gets stuck under the tank, but other than that it works great. As parents, our time is extremely limited, and this product takes under 60 seconds to install, is clean, and safe for your young one. It is very easy to install, and can be done in a minute or two. Be warned that your first few nights can be a terror if you're attempting to pee in the dark, and can't get this open fast enough. Best 10 ever spent. No more plumbing fees, and no more clogs, snakes, or plunges to pull out toys. It is more work for the parents to open the toilet, but first is the safety of the children. Even if you follow the instructions, it cannot properly line up. Make sure you do a few dry runs to fully understand how the mechanism works. This does the job, and once you get the hang of it, you can open it quickly. Somewhat easy to install, but making sure there is enough room for it to swing back and forth is a bit difficult. Kind of awkward for moms and dads in middle of the night though, and for grandparents visiting who can't figure anything out. This has stood for about a month now, and other than late night runs where you cannot leave it in open position, it works 100 of time. If you have any intoxicated friends over, you may have to show them how to open this several times throughout the night. It sticks a little popping the arm back into the lock position, but it works with an extra little tap. There are so many child safety products out there, and it gets annoying having to train everyone on how they work. It takes me two hands to unlock, so they aren't going to figure it out, or be able to press the buttons anytime soon. It keeps the toilet seat tightly closed so that hands and small objects can't be put in the toilet, which gives her access to climb onto the sink, or grab things of the toilet rack. The release can be operated with one hand, and closes itself after returning the lid. Walk into the bathroom, shut the door, look down, and suddenly you're in a Saw movie. Having a few toddlers very interested in throwing everything they can into the toilet, finding a good toilet lock has been important. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.